Hi, my name is Emily, and for this discussion about the plane crash that happened in New Mexico in December 1989 that left the pilot and his wife deceased. Um, so they mentioned that the temperature of the plane crash melted the aluminum. Was this normal or expected for this type of crash, or was the heat higher than expected? And if so, why? Wasn't really mentioned if that was any part of the investigation. Um, Also, the pollen that was found after the crash, it was stored, and the pollen in that area matched what was in the plane after it was stored after the initial investigation. But it was not mentioned if the plane was stored there beforehand as well, or if it was stored somewhere else. And if it was stored somewhere else, is there a different pollen in that area that could have affected the plane inner workings, with different plant material that could have affected the inner workings of the plane? And if so, would it have caused any carbon monoxide poisoning in the main cabin, causing impairment to already a difficult situation due to the weather? Because they did say that there was a winter storm rolling in. It was very foggy conditions, everything like that, which is already hard even for an experienced pilot, which they also didn't mention if he was experienced or not. And also, was the plane inspected beforehand? Was not mentioned. Probably is important to mention that if the plane was inspected, did they find anything wrong? Or did they kind of just take one look of it, say it was fine, and then it was good to go? Just curious.